Hi everyone, I'm doing a split cut flip and drag on this long piece of MDF. I don't know how long it is, but it's just a long, narrow piece. I think it was originally a scrap piece. And I turned it into art. So I've got my split cup. This is the same one I used on the last time I did a split cut. The paint is dried on the inside, so I'm not worried about it interacting. I've got dioxazine purple, Prussian blue, black, and then a self-mixed mica powder blue. So I'm gonna, hopefully you can see this, and hopefully I don't end up, there, I think you can see this. So there's the black, a little more blue. Now we'll do the other side. Dioxazine purple and Prussian blue, and top it with more purple. Now just kind of skimming the surface of this. I think I'm going to go back. So this is kind of a, give it more of a swipey look. Tilt it a little that way. Oh, I got some on the corner, but it's kind of cool looking. Tilt it back this way. Get it going off the side a bit. That just is stubborn. Now I'm going to center it. I decided I don't like this corner. I'm going to wipe that off. And I've got enough paint down here to just fill it back up. Now I'm going to torch it kind of far away so I don't get too many cells. And it's good. It turned out how I pictured it in my head, which is always a good thing. That doesn't always happen. So let me take my gloves off so I can bring you over to get a closer look. Super cool. I was a little worried the black would take over, but it seems perfect. Can I get it all in there? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.